Okay, so welcome to Chiang Mai. So this is really one of my targets when I visited Thailand. I've heard of this place from watching some Thai series. So it seems it's a very nice place to go. And it seems even Thai people are very excited when they are going to Chiang Mai. So you have to take a flight from Bangkok. It's for 1 hour, or if I'm not mistaken, there's also a way that you could travel this by land, either by train or by bus. But it will take far more longer. I think around 6 to 8 hours, if I'm not mistaken. So what's good about Chiang Mai is that there's a lot of temples, and like this one, this is right in the middle of the town. It's impossible not to find a temple. It's like every 10 to 15 steps, every turn left, every turn right of the streets, you will see a temple that you would like to visit. And because there's a lot of temples, there are different variations, like some of them are made of wood, some of them are made of stone. We have some ancient ones like this. So you really not run out of temples to visit or explore in Chiang Mai. You could just walk around and just enter a certain temple and go inside. Now inside, if you want, you could of course leave your slippers or shoes outside, and then you could enter the temples. So very intricate design temples like this one. Maybe you just have to make sure that you do not disturb any ongoings inside the temples. Now, like my other videos, I really like to put in some information about the places that I visit. But in Chiang Mai, it's really impossible. There's really too many to list down, to document. But you could always find these temples in Google Maps, like what I did. Aside from sightseeing the temples, there are also shops outside, especially the big ones. Now, if you want to navigate around, you could always take the tuk-tuks or the tongso, if I'm not mistaken. Now, if you get tired of visiting the temples, you could always visit the city part. Okay, wherein there are malls, there are shops, there are restaurants, and there's even the night bazaar that I would recommend that you visit at night. This is where you could find bargain stuff, maybe to bring bring back, okay, with you. But aside from that, there's also a lot of food here. There's a food court. You could try different Thai food, Chinese food, even drinks. There you have it. This is my collage of my trip in Chiang Mai. Hope to see you in the next video.